Hello everyone and welcome to the Spine Pro Character Animation course. In this course, you will learn how to create professional 2D character animations for games and how to take your animations to a whole new level. We'll be going over the advanced features of Spine Pro, but also cover some of the basics to provide you with a wholesome picture of the animation process in Spine. The goal of the course is to teach you how to create character animations that are smooth, realistic, and even have a 3D effect to them. And of course, to make sure that your animations are ready for use in any game project. My name is Marina. I'm the head animator at my independent game development studio, Citric, and I will be your instructor. So, what exactly are you going to learn? The course is built in a step-by-step structure that follows a complete process of character animation, from character rigging, through animation, to enhancement and final polishing. We will discuss how a spine-ready character should look like, create some of the key animations any game project requires, and make use of Spine Pro's most advanced techniques to make our animations look awesome, and even 3D. You will get to master the free form deformation of the meshes, conquer the inverse kinematics and transform constraints, get familiar with some of the best practices and important tips, as well as learn to fix some of the common issues along the way. In essence, this is an advanced techniques course that animators of any level can benefit from, and I hope it will help you elevate your character animations to the new heights. So, let's go ahead and get started. See you in the course!